about a goal that you have right now. Think about like something that you have that you really want in your life. Maybe it's a professional goal, maybe it's a personal goal, but something that you fantasize about, you dream about, you assume will make you a happier person. What's interesting when you think about these goals and dreams is that we always envision the benefits. We always envision us, standing outside our brand new home, looking like waving to the neighbors, everybody's happy and smiling. We envision the amazing vacation with our family, enjoying the cool breeze and sipping on a nice drink. We don't envision the costs and risks of our dreams and goals. We're bad at imagining the downsides of the things that we want. We think about the benefits of owning that brand new house, but we don't think about the mortgage payments, the insurance, the maintenance that's required, dealing with city ordinances, dealing with lawyers, and all sorts of other bullshit. We think about the relaxation of our vacation, but we don't think about all of the trouble it is to go through the process of traveling. We don't think about, the bad weather that could potentially happen. We don't think about how, the problems that you have with your partner could get exacerbated by being on this trip together. So we tend to be somewhat blind to the risks and downsides of our dreams. And ironically, that makes our dreams a little bit dangerous. It makes it easy to dream things that won't actually necessarily make us any happier. In fact, I would argue that we usually dream about things that would not make us any happier. And I think anybody who's achieved enough of their dreams or achieved enough of their goals starts to recognize that this happens after a while. You set some goals, you work really hard, you get to them. It's nice for a little while. Couple months pass and you realize that you're not really any different than you were before.